Hello, my beautiful friends. I have an unboxing to do. Stacy, be sure that you get credit for my purchase. I purchased the My Healthy Life because you did the unboxing, and it looked interesting. So I ordered it, so make sure you get the credit because I bopped around on their website, so I hope that you get credit for my purchase. Before I start, I want to thank Susan, my soul sister Susan, for sending along a full moon ritual that I will do tomorrow night on the full moon. So thank you. All right, so my husband opened the box, and he opened it this way because he's a dude. And he doesn't know that unboxings are, So we're going to open it this sketchy way. All right, so in here is my discount and all that good stuff, and what came with the box. I don't need that. That's garbage. All right. Let's see. I'm probably opening this not in the order intended because it wasn't opened correctly, but we have lavender bath salts. Ooh. I will use these tonight. I love lavender and I love bath salt, and you all know I have a jacuzzi tub, so I'll be using that tonight. So far, I'm loving the box. What's next? Oh. Oh, look at this fancy Buddha. That's fancy. If you're into Buddha things, let me know. Now I'll pass this on to you. It's heavy, though, I will say. Lots of filler. Such a bizarre way that we opened this box. A key lime white chocolate soft bake cookie. I'm not a huge fan of key lime, so I might see Nav is coming over tonight so we can read cards. I'll see if she wants that. Such a weird way to open a box, Dave. Here's all the filler. Okay, what's next? I will say they packed this tightly. Make the choices now that in 5 years you'll be able to look back and smile knowing you chose a life of joy. That is actually very exciting. It tells you what's in here, so I'm not going to look at that. The rest of the stuff in here is really tightly packed, which would have been so easy to open had we opened it the right way. Where is this stuff? So I'm a new subscriber. So I got a deck. This isn't the deck I think I got, though. Yeah, this is the deck that comes with this actual box. How to Be Loving, the deck. For resilience, kindness, and all kinds of idealism. Oh, I like that. I do. I like that. I'm going to check that out in a hot second. The deck that I got... Oh, God. Dropping crap. I got a smudge stick. It's white sage. Can never have too many of those suckers. And I got my gift. This is my gift for subscribing. You could pick one of 3 things. I picked the deck. I like that it's purple paper. It's called Soul Truth. Self-Awareness Card Deck. Thought this would be good for journaling. Daily questions that will transform your life. So we'll crack that sucker open and see what that says. I think that's everything in this box. So this box was $20. It'll be $40 going forward. Do I think it's worth $40? Well, the cards for sure, because cards always end up being like at least $15. So there's 2 decks of cards there. So normally I won't get 2 decks of cards, but so that's $30. And then, this is usually $5. And, so already I got what I paid for this box. Be interesting to see, like, next month's box, if that's actually worth $40 and shipping. So it ends up being $50 for me. So we'll see. So my favorite thing are the decks. My least favorite thing is probably the cookie, just because I'm not into key lime. I'm also really not into the Buddha culture, but I respect it. So if this is something that resonates with you, please let me know. I'll get your address and I will send it to you. All right, so let's, I'm going to pause and open these decks and we'll see what they say. All right, so the first one I opened was the How to Be Loving deck, because that's what came with the actual box. And it says, hello, love. May I assume you're an idealist? You don't have to be, of course. Everyone is welcome, but it's helpful these days to keep visions of loving kindness alive and well. Hell's bells, I believe in that. Before you choose a card, say to yourself, I'm open to my wisdom being shown, because it's your wisdom that's most magnetic and useful. You're the oracle. Like that too. All right, and these are beautiful writing prompts, blah, blah, blah. And there's a title card, and then there are these cards. And look like this. So, we're going to, I mean, obviously they're not, I haven't smoked them yet, or anything like that. We're just going to pick some random cards. I'm going to pick a random card. Spirit, pick out the best card for me to show folks. I'll just take the first one that comes out. Alright, they're not too bad to shuffle. A little chunky. There's a lot of them. I will say, one of my great disappointments with Witch Casket was they had this great, like, shadow work, like, box, and it had prompts in it, and there were 7. What am I going to do with 7 prompts? I'll be done with that tomorrow. This, you get a lot. I told Spirit I would take the first one that came out. Spirit hasn't given me one yet. As the best example. I might be here all day. Hope you packed a snack. There we go. Finally got one. They're very thick cards. Oh, we got 3. We're going to take them. Being fully human is a spiritual transformation. Meat suits. Commit to life. This is a vividly sacred time to pledge to a beautiful ideal, to the virtues of the heart, and to dedicate our lives to it. Like we do at births and weddings and on deathbeds, we stand in love. We look ahead, and we promise to make good on the vision. Approach this as a sacred passage to higher consciousness. Submit your fears and vow to love. The ceremony is underway. That's cool. Leave the past where it is in the past. A strong mind focuses forward. I like that too. These are good journaling cards. I will definitely use them for journaling. So that's a cute deck. Definitely worth, I think. Let's see what the price thing is, if they tell you the prices. They don't tell you how much it is. But it's a good deck. Yeah. Alright, so Soul Truth, which is what I picked as my free new member gift. Nicely packaged. Pretty feather on the inbox. Little park. Dear Soulful You. Okay, so these look like questions also. Alright, we're going to do the same thing. Ask Spirit to pull out a good example. They're stiff. They are chunky too, and there's a lot of them, which I am impressed by. And both sides have something different. Like both sides, one side has like a statement or a question, and then the other side has like something you can do, looks like. Alright, just one for an example, Spirit. A little little bit bigger than my hands. I have small, tiny hands. Alright, I'm just going to take this one because it popped up. What risk can I take today? So there's like a question on this side. So like another one question is, if I had a magic wand and could have anything I desire in life, what would I choose? Peace on earth. That's what I would choose. All right. So what risk can I take today? Be not mistaken, you will have to take bigger risks than you ever thought possible on this path towards your dreams. You will have to take the big scary leap, but do not fret, because your soul has wings. Today is soul action, and there's like a little action that you take. What risk can you take to move towards your dreams? Make a decision and do it. No more thinking, only doing. Be brave and courageous, and you will discover what you are really made of. So maybe this resonates with somebody out there. I have no sudden moves actually in sight, so those are cool. I like those. Those are also sort of journaling kind of cards, and I like that. I do. I like that. So, overall, I'm impressed so far with my healthy lifestyle wax. Like I said, cookies probably the thing I like the least. I don't dislike this, but it doesn't resonate with me because it's not my tradition. But it's beautiful and definitely worth it. So if it resonates with you, be the first one down below to comment, and I will send it off to you. All right, I am wishing you, and just another thank you to Susan for the spell for tomorrow night. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best and light love. Be well. Take care. Bye-bye.